What do you
My
see?
rock, my rock,
There's rock inside?
my rock. My liit rock.
Naman.
My orange, my orange. I see.
Kaya na you observe.
I see some yellow.
What colors do you see?
I see some yellow.
May yellow.
Yeah, our next one is this. Oh.
Sige yan. What color do you see?
I see pink.
The body.
Dawa. D.
Oh?
O. D. D. Y.
Oh, show me where are the spikes.
Nandito.
Yan, okay, spikes.
Nandito.
Where's the conch?
Dito.
Yan,
Nandito.
Wow,
Yung
that's
tao.
amazing. Yan. Yep. Hello, right?
Yan.
Yeah. So yan na. So there's a cockle.
Dito.
Oh, it's moving. Cowrie. Oh, it's
Ano
moving.
ba yan?
Oh, what else? Can you find that one?
Yun, dito. Mula sa dito.
Okay, where do you put that?
Dito. Bakit?
Abalone. Threaded abalone.
Dito.
Yeah, that's Atlantic Base Calo. What else do you have?
Dito.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Ay.
The Atlantic Yellow Cowrie. Oh, next.
Dandua.
Yan.
Oh my.
I think this is the yellow cockle.
Di-
Yeah. What else pa do you have?
Oh. Bakit musta?
Sige, yan na. We'll
Ayun,
identify
yun,
the
pink
seashells.
scallop.
Yan, pink scallop.
Ay,
The other one.
dito. Ay,
Yeah, the Pacific White Venus. Okay, what else?
and
What else do
dito.
you...
Maganda to.
Yeah, you have to look for it.
Eh, dito.
Oo nga, parang yun, no?
Young.
Okay, can we identify the seashells that you got from the beach? Sige nga.
Alam ko.
We study about the seashells.
Dito. D.
Oh yeah, what do you... This is Pacific White Venus. Galing.
Venus?
Sige.
Ano
Yeah.
ba yan? Ang
Venus.
ganda.
Yeah, okay, come on.
Dito. Ay. Down by the sea. The warm and blue. Wait, no. It feels right. May ice cream pa.
What are you doing?
I'm doing some.
Some waves.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beach. The beach. Some rocks, so yeah.
I
Very
don't
good.
wanna put rocks there.
Okay.
It's bad. Whee!
Seems like he's walking in the
She's
beach.
walking.